one of the pretty exciting things that we have been building on Paradime from the ground up very early on is around how we can chain Bolt with third-party applications. So how can we integrate Paradime with different systems? Something we see in one of our templates, so I can just go back to our schedule list and I'll click on new schedule, is that we provide these templates lists for Bolt jobs. Anything which relates to DBT is available, as well as elementary and Microsoft Team integration and so on. But the one I wanna start talking to you about is about ticketing. We integrate with Jira, Linear, and Azure DevOps, meaning that we can set up this additional integration so that as soon as a job fails, a Jira ID or a Jira ticket is created, or linear issues or Azure DevOps work item with metadata about the schedule. So the process of sending notification to Slack or Microsoft Team, but also of creating an appropriate Jira ticket with metadata for somebody to resolve it is available right there within Bolt with no additional toolings or additional setup. It's a simple integration, and I'll show you very quickly how that works. If I go here, let's say I'll take Linear, we just have provide the team name and the API keys, and then on the back of that Paradime with Bolt, we'll start creating linear issue in case of failure as part of your pipeline. Similar thing happened for the tools, but also we expanded into instance. If you are using new Relic, PagerDuty, Incident.io, Datadog, Rootly, all these different tools, and you actually want to send this log and additional information through those tools as well. Again, it's as simple as just providing the right API key and credentials, and as a result, you can actually go ahead and have all these logs piped into this additional application. Of course, there's versatile. We support Hightouch and Census as part of that, and then also Hex project refreshes in case you is something to use internally. A super quick demo here, but fundamentally, it's super exciting to see how now with Paradime, we can integrate our job scheduling pipelines all the way from using DLT Hub for ingestion, supporting Python in there, as well as running our DBT jobs, using AI to help users debugging so that they can actually get an extra hands when they have to resolve some of those issues. And more importantly, allowing users to schedule and orchestrate their production jobs based on the time zone they're in, not needing anymore to translate UTC into different time zones, particularly useful for teams in certain areas of the world where they also have like half an hour differences sometimes, so it makes things a lot more complicated. So yeah, this is all from Bolt on the side. Super excited. You see there's another button there which is generated using DynamoEye. That's something we are cooking also internally. See how we can actually make it even easier to create production jobs in Paradime. But yeah, super excited of Bolt and how we're helping team streamlining their orchestration.